Ecuador's parliament has passed a controversial bill aimed at tightening the reins on media, a bill that some call unconstitutional, limiting free speech.
The bill will allow the creation of a government body to implement civil and criminal sanctions against journalists who break the law. And it will redistribute control of the country's broadcasting, limiting private media to just a third of all frequencies.
Under the so-called communications law, punishments for breaking the law could include hefty fines or mandatory public apologies for media outlets found guilty of, quote, media lynching, the concerted and repetitive defamation of individuals or companies. These new restrictions are part of a promised push for major proposals by Ecuadorian President Rafael Correa. In February, he won re-election, also gaining his first legislative majority with 100 of the 137 seats in the National Assembly. Correa has been known in his past terms to clash with reporters and make claims that the media is biased. For alleged errors, he has sued the press, and his administration has reportedly forced rebuttals. Supporters for Correa and the newly passed bill say it will make communications more balanced and prevent monopolies. Gabriela Rivadeneira, the president of the National Assembly, told the New York Times, "Let there be no doubt that there are rights for everyone, and not just for a privileged group, which is what is wanted by some opposition legislators or the mercantilist press that has commercialized information." However, there is a much different sentiment from the opposition. It claims the new bill could open the door to unlawful censorship by the government. Opposition leader Andres Paez wrote on Twitter, translated into English, "It prevents the debate. It prevents us from exposing our view. And today is a funeral for Ecuador, the death certificate of freedom." And Carlos Loria, America's senior program coordinator at the New York-based Committee to Project Journalists, said Correa's goal with the new law is to hush the opposition, muzzling all critics of his administration. No official word yet on when the bill might become law. For Newsy, I'm Jasmine Bailey.